Let's say a prayer before we start this video because some of you guys need prayer. Lord, I pray to you that this tactic that I'm going to teach these ladies is used for good. And I pray to you, Lord, open the hearts of the women who have a cold heart and want to use this for dark psychological reasons and make them whole again. In the name of the Lord, amen. Let's begin. All right, ladies. Today, by the way, I missed my flight to New York City today. I thought I scheduled it for today when it was for tomorrow. Truly shameful. But today we're going to be talking about three primal switches, three primal things that men are hardwired to love in a woman. I can promise you, this is backwards. This is backwards. This is not something that Steve Harvey's going to tell you. This is not something that your mama and your daddy will tell you. This is not something that the Cosmopolitan News will tell you. But these are things that guys will not admit to. But I can promise you, they are attracted to this. Shamefully, unfortunately. It's sad, but it is what it is. Shit, fuck. All right, ladies, let's begin this. By the way, ladies, again, don't forget, yo, listen to me. Listen up. Seminar, Chicago, LA, Miami, Toronto, Australia. Check on the description down below when I'm going to be going to your country this year and next year. All right? Okay, look. So, look. The first thing that guys are naturally, the way that we developed our attraction switches wasn't created during the social media age. Wasn't created when we were trying to sound angelic. Wasn't created when we had eyes upon each other. The way that people became attracted to each other was in a very Machiavellian, selfish, fucked up kind of world. So you're going to see a lot of things that are wrong, right? You can see a lot of things that are wrong. The first one is this. They are attracted to you if they see other guys that want you. Simple as that. The more guys want you, the more they're going to be attracted to you. That's why I always tell women, look, man, it's okay to show a guy that you're the only person for me. It's okay to show the guy that you're the only... Right, look, listen. It's okay to show the guy that you're the only person for me, right? The problem is when you just make him feel like you have no other options. Is when you make him feel that there's no competition. Motherfucker, there is competition. There is competition. There is competition. I'll tell you this, man. Anytime I knew, like for example, I was seeing this one girl, right? And I knew she had an ex-girlfriend. And I know that she wasn't over her ex-girlfriend. But I would still see her. And anytime she pulled away from me, it immediately made me think that maybe she is talking to that girl. You know what I'm saying? Like the fact that she had an ex-girlfriend who she wasn't over, as counterintuitive as it is, it made me like her more. I swear that you might say, man, that's fucked up. That's what I'm saying. I didn't make people. Did I make people? Did I hardwire people? Tell the guy upstairs, I didn't hardwire them. I'm just saying what happened. It's not that she's fucking all the guys. That's different. But when a guy feels like there's other threats, that there's a threat, that there's another dude in the picture, he's going to automatically become sexually competitive with you. Like, for example, this fucking girl last week, I was like, yo, man, I said it in the last video. By the way, I have a Spanish channel. Check out the description down below about my Spanish channel. I told the girl, yo, girl, man, like, let me have sex one more time, because I was leaving. I was like, yo, man, just one more time, because she was bad as shit. And she was like, I'm not down for it. Why don't you hit up one of your girls? And that was true. I could hit up one of my girls. But the fact that she sent me, the fact that she said that made me think that maybe she's like seeing other people, even though she was. But that just said to me, man, like, she's so independent that she just like say, just go see other girls. I don't mind. That says like she's not jealous of. She's not jealous. She's not afraid that she could lose me. Like, that's what comes with it. It's not that she's gonna think of you that you're a slut. It's that who does she love somebody else? It's not about who she fucking. Does she love him? Could she potentially fall in love with him? Why is she flaking on me? Why is she busy now? Those things will amplify everything. You know what I'm saying? So being honest and saying that you're seeing other people a lot of the time doesn't make the guy not like you. It'll make him like you even more sometimes. The next thing is they fall for the selfish woman. Men love selfish women to a point. Just think about, put it this way. Think about your girlfriend who's a bitch. She has a lot of dudes who like her. Right? Everyone has a girlfriend who's a fucking bitch, and she has a lot of dudes who like her. Men fall in love with the selfish woman because to some men, their parents were selfish. Their moms were selfish. Their moms were single parents, and they used the child as a way to deal with the fact that they're not getting attention from their main partners, right? And as a result, the child never really got to interact with the mother because the mother was selfish. The mother was just worried about her needs. The mother never really listened to the kid because she was just so worried about fulfilling her needs through the child. So the child never felt heard. So that child then will naturally fall for women who are selfish because it reminds her of his mother and will try to fix the relationship with his mother to try to fix through trying to gain that woman. You know what I'm saying? It's almost like if somebody steals from me, I got to get back at somebody, so I'm going to steal from you because somebody hurt me. It's like a way of dealing with that pain. See what I'm saying? Let's move this computer because it might die soon. 1 second. Let's move it right here. 1 second. Right? All right. Let's move it right here, people. All right. That like subscribers coming through, people. Coming through. All right. So yeah, that's one thing, right? Is that selfish women, to some guys, they're just attracted to selfish women, man. And it's because they don't give them enough emotion. They feel insecure around them. The selfish woman doesn't completely validate those guys. And when you don't completely validate them, what they'll do is that they'll look for validation. They'll work a little bit harder to gain your attention. And that's why I would say, be a little selfish with guys. Be a little selfish. You see what I'm saying? Be a little distant with the guy. From time to time, focus on you. Say no to him. Push him away from time to time. And it might activate that projection mechanism. I mean, make a video about how to activate a man's, how to make him fall in love through his own projection. Let me know about that. Comment about that and I may make it. The last one is that men love women who create drama. Not too much drama to the point where you're Maury, but a little drama to the point where, you know, he's like, man, this chick is a headache, but I like her. Like, I remember talking to this girl who, a few months ago, who, we didn't work out though, but who will always have something, like it was very, we dated for like 9 months or so, but it was always a problem. Like she was always complaining about the fact that I didn't call her, that I didn't text her. Like she was always like, there was always a little argument. And that wasn't crazy, but she was always dissatisfied with something. So with her, there was always some drama, right? But the funny thing about the drama that I noticed is that when we were together, the drama made everything, the fact that we're together, a lot closer. I'm not saying that this is safe. I'm not saying that this is what you got to do, ladies. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying that when you are able to do that properly and you get back with him, he's going to love you even more. Now, the way to do this in a healthy way, is just to, now, see, I don't recommend doing this, but experiment with guys that you don't like. Break up with them, leave them alone for like a month or so, and go back and see what happens. Don't do this with guys you like, but experiment, all right? Experiment. Find reasons to have arguments. Find something to have an argument about. Little things to have arguments about. Find just exaggerate about something that he does and be a little mad at him for one or 2 days. And what you're gonna notice is that when you get back with him, he's gonna end up liking you a little bit more. Now, I don't recommend this, people. I don't recommend this, but that's what tends to happen. And you ladies can tell me and agree with me too. I mean, it's just how people are. I didn't make people. It's just how people are, unfortunately. All right, ladies. All right, ladies. All right, look, man, this is Alex from Mindful Attraction. If you guys need one-on-one coaching, you guys know exactly where to go, all right? All right, so I'm going to make this video in Spanish, so click on the description. You want to check out the Spanish video, all right? And, yeah, and don't forget, if you need one-on-one coaching, go to the description down below. And don't be selfish and recommend me to your friends, all right? And let me know what you guys think. of this video in a comment down below and like. Bye. All right, ladies. So finally, I have released my second course for women, which is natural chemistry. This course is a 5-week course. 5-week course where every week you're gonna get a new set of videos based on specific issues. This course is all about how to create and maintain the attraction in any man. This will help you create love. This will help you deepen the love with your man. This is not about manipulation. This is not about playing games. This is genuine, natural chemistry. No more short-term partners. No more being fooled. Why? Because I will reveal to you not only how to create attraction in the first week, but also how to understand male nature, how to understand their tricks, how to prevent from being too attached, signs that he's the wrong guy, signs that he's a narcissist, signs that he's a mama's boy, signs that he's an emotionally available guy, emotionally unavailable guy. We go over everything. We go over this third week, setting boundaries. We go over the third week, controlling your emotions, right? Setting boundaries, fourth week, fifth week, embracing your masculine and the feminine, right? And on top of that, I have over 10 different bonuses, 10 different bonuses. My Lord have mercy, right? With a money back guarantee. The bonus are: 1, the natural chemistry, over 10 hours of content, right? The breakup formula, how to deal with a breakup, right? The connecting with your man, right? Establishing a life of abundance, social mastery, understanding your dark side, the goal setting seminar, which is about how to set and achieve goals, practical mastery that will teach you how to master anything, the laws of human nature. I have a book club for the laws of human nature with over 4 hours of content, right? The transformational seminar in a pocket, which is my mindfulness seminar, and the Chase audiobook. This originally is $1,800, but you get it starting at $97, ladies and gentlemen, right? $97. We have different packages, but all of this starts at $97. And you know what? You can check it out for free if you want. Yeah, for all the freeloaders, I have free videos just for you. Free videos, all right? So you could just check it out for free, and then you could get out. Nothing wrong with that, all right? So, and on top of that, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. That's right. No questions asked. I don't mind. I just want you guys to check it out, because I know when you take one look, you're going to want to buy it. I can promise you. Just like my other course, the psychological game of attraction, it was a hit. You're gonna love this one. This one is not about manipulation. This is genuine natural chemistry. Order it now. All right. I'll see you guys inside. Peace out.